Hey friends, I know we've all been there. We're doing our spring cleaning and then we find some fabric that we're not sure what to do anything with because it's small scraps. Well, today I'm going to show you the perfect scrapbuster idea, and I think this fabric is going to go perfect for what we have in store. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so first we're going to cut some 4-inch strips. For this one, you can use as many fabrics as you like, and you can cut as many as you want. Alright, next I'm using an old toilet paper roll, and we're going to take all the strips and we're just going to roll them on top of this, and this makes the next step so much easier. Just a little sewing hack. And another sewing hack on this project, if you alternate the fabrics, I think it makes a much cooler pattern there at the end. So as you can see, alright, we got all of our fabric rolled up. Now we're going to head over to our next station. Let's go. Alright, here we are, last station. And our project's complete. Reusable toilet paper with your least favorite team on it. Hope you enjoyed this scrapbuster.